Hi and welcome back to a new art journaling video on my channel. Today I'm playing again in the Dina Wakley Media Journal and I'm using Neocolor Crayons, different stamps from my store and a stencil from StencilGirl. I'm starting with a circle shape because it's a very easy way to create a nice page layout. You can arrange your stamping and your focal points and also your sentiments all around this circle. I'm playing with Neocolor crayons. These are the number 2 ones and they are water soluble. They are similar to the Dina Wakley Scribble Sticks. I have primed the page with gesso because the watercolor paper in this journal is like kind of a fabric kind of paper. And it soaks up the colors immediately and you are not able to blend anything on these pages. What I really enjoy about working with the Neocolor crayons, they are water soluble when they are dry and you can do techniques like this. Remove the color with a stencil. I'm using one from StencilGirl. I'm also applying some white gesso through the stencil. I want to have some texture, so I'm using the Rubber Dance Old Book Page stamp and stamp it randomly to my page. One thing that I also really enjoy with the Neocolors is that you can stamp with them, and I'm using the artsy spiral and color it with a Neocolor crayon. I dip the nib of the crayon a little bit into water so it's really easy to apply it to the stamp. I give it a little spritz of water before I stamp it to my page. You don't get a perfect image with this technique, but it's really interesting to create a background. I go in with the blue again on the page and blend it in with my brush. I'm just doing this carefully because I don't want to create mud. When everything is dry, I'm adding in some white splatters with my homemade acrylic ink. I used white acrylic paint together with airbrush medium and water, so I have it always ready to go. I decided to add a little bit more stamping just for more interest and texture. My focal point will be the butterfly from Rubber Dance. It's the grungy butterfly number 2, and it comes in a separate set and also with the grungy butterfly stamp set. And I don't color it in, I just leave it black on white because it pops out more from the colorful background. I also stamped one of the sentiments from the grungy butterfly stamp set and cut it into pieces, and now I'm arranging it on the page. That was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope we see us next time. Bye!